Today, we checking out some foreclosures in Detroit. Oh, porch a little rough. You alright? This house is horrible.
I saw it before, but it's funny every time I see it. Oh no! Oh no! Baby, this ain't safe. It ain't safe. It ain't safe.
You stay right there.
I'm coming. Wait, Anthony.
Nigga, what? It's sturdy.
Yeah, okay. Again, I don't have no more legs left.
You don't. You really don't.
Oh, it stank.
They all stink.
You got do seances and stuff like that. What's happening? Like,
You ain't got your phone?
no.
So you left it in the car in Detroit?
I locked the door.
What that mean?
Did the door's locked? Boy, ain't nobody looking for that phone.
If you thought that, you wouldn't lock the door.
I mean, it's
This house been empty for quite some time.
it's gonna take a lot of fix, cause the whole porch gotta be knocked down. They should just give it away.
Yeah, this house horrible. I think
The back door not even closed. Like, is there people downstairs?
Yeah.
Excuse me.
There's a lot of people down there.
Excuse me.
Oh,
What? I'm trying to see.
mold everywhere.
The basement actually don't look as bad as it could.
Mm-hmm. Where is the upstairs?
It's upstairs. Boom. That's scary.
No. Dang, it's big. Floor's messed up everywhere. My light out.
Ooh.
It's full of jokes today, I see.
It's a phone full of jokes. Whatever. I like the space section upstairs though. But it's just, I don't know. Some I'll be like, oh, this is like a headache. But it feel like if this was the, like, I could really see a turnaround in it.
Can't.
Oh, it's so much money.
It's like way too much. That's stupid. Look at that.
I know. Like, but how does that happen? How does it start to protrude like that?
I don't know.
I heard they seen an alligator at Belle Isle.
I wouldn't doubt it. Ooh-wee. This is hold on, let me make sure I got my numbers right. I think this one is $20,000. Little roof. The windows broke. Needs a roof. Got the bars on the window. Oh yeah, definitely needs a roof. Morning.
How you doing?
All right.
Good.
Needs.
Fine.
I'm looking to see if I wanted to. Need a lot of work, I see.
Yeah, it's a lot.
Oh man. Get all this done. Oh my goodness.
Oh God.
Yeah, it's time.
But I can't find a case, so I said, let me run in here. Like, because they took it from me. It's not
They all take a lot of money.
Oh, snap. The artist in the building.
You been back here?
No.
I'm gonna go up these stairs.
Say what?
I'm gonna go up these stairs.
I am in a minute. Wow, this floor is like real.
Oh, you can see straight outside. Look at that.
This floor is real mushy.
That's what I'm saying. Like, it's like way too much money to fix.
It's not gonna be much more than Kilborn was.
It need a roof.
Oh yeah, I do need a roof. Never mind.
Look.
I know, I seen it from the outside. I got a tarp up there.
You wanna go up there?
Probably in a minute, yeah.
I don't know how stable this stuff is.
Well, watch out then, let me go.
Why, for my knees to be gassing up?
You always falling, so move.
Don't do that.
Plus I need the flashlight. Oh no. I really don't need.
Don't fall backwards on me.
It's tight too. No, I'm good. Ew. It's mold everywhere.
Not getting sick today.
I'm straight.
Yeah, it's fine too.
Well,
No, I'm down them stairs. The trap, baby.
oh,
You ain't stairs yet.
hell no.
How you gonna get down the stairs without busting your face?
Yeah, I'm straight. This house sucks.
Oh God, no.
Hold on.
Them stairs go straight down.
Right, they ain't got no. It's like a 20-degree angle.
I ain't never seen no steps like that before. That's crazy.
I
Like
have.
that will bust your face up. It goes straight down. That's nuts. I'm heading back to the car, my guy. You
I'm
feel
about
me?
to
Huh?
I'm headed to the car too. This house sucks. It's only 20,000, but
No, I need to be fast.
I'm straight.
Need to be fast.
Yeah, I'm good on this one.
Maybe fast. I'm stretching it fast.
It need everything. Windows, flooring, ceiling. It's like 50, 60,000. No, probably more than that. This house looks decent. Don't look bad at all, actually. How much is this one? This one is 50,000. Foreclosed. Oh, that's weird. You gotta go through the steps to get to the backyard. That's different. Oh, that's a big locust, grasshopper. Anyway, you see the backyard. Alright, let's go check out the inside. It works with the side door. Oh wow, what the hell? The whole basement is like falling in. Do y'all see that? I don't know if you can catch it on camera, but it's like somebody, King Kong, booted it from the outside. What? Okay. And the ground is like crumbling.
I was looking for you.
I'll go down there last. I'm right here.
Well, they tried to do something and didn't change their mind, huh? Oh, this is on level.
No, I think they did it and then it got messed up by tenants. Oh, the floor is horrible. It's like a big hill going up a hill.
I wouldn't touch the real one. It looks dirty.
I ain't touching nothing. And they want 50,000? They bugging.
They is in fact bugging. The whole thing is unlevel.
Yeah, I know. I could tell from the basement wall falling in.
They got this little room. I don't even know what you call this. It ain't no bedroom though. Hey, what's this?
It's the punishment room. That's where you go when you don't listen.
It's a lot of rust in that too. Yeah, the tenants probably did.
Wow. Most certainly. But they can sell me all these materials though. They can sell me the vanity and the toilet.
This is the way they set that mirror up there for me.
I know. Nah, yeah, that's crazy.
They did a poor job in the first place.
I mean, yeah. I do like this natural wood with the blue wall though. I like that color scheme. Might take that idea. But I would finish I would put a coat or sealant on the wood. They just did it bare. I do like the idea though with that color.
I don't like this.
Yeah, these some small rooms. What in the world? Hidden little situation. Ain't no way they get no 50. I mean, it's straight, but the basement is the deal breaker.
The basement, what's happening down here?
The wall's falling in.
Oh no.
That's why the floor like that.
Oh. Yeah.
Right here, as soon as you walk in, you can see it. You want to see this pushed in wall?
Oh no. Look at the floor.
And the floor is crumbly.
Oh no. No, they gotta take this down and start over.
Yeah, it's over. This wall falling in. Yeah. I don't see them selling this one. Not for no 50 anyway.
It had potential.
Actually, let me put on my night vision. There we go. Now I can see better. That wall, these walls on this side is decent, but it's this side, that wall right here, straight ahead, caving in. They put all these little jacks to help, but they just made the floor uneven by doing that. and this wall right here falling in. It's fixable, but you gotta put the metal beams and all that. So I mean, it's not a complete loss, but I don't know if I would want to deal with it. Moving along.